Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I break down the software that helps businesses and professionals work smarter and not harder. Today we are diving deep into Odoo, one of the most talked about business management suites out there. Whether you're running a small startup or managing an enterprise, this one might just be the all-in-one tool you've been searching for. So let's get into it. What is Odoo? What is it all about? At its core, Odoo is an open source business management platform. It offers a wide range of integrated applications from CRM, accounting, and inventory to HR, e-commerce, and even project management. It is designed to be modular, which means you can start with just one app and expand as your business grows. So the question is, who is it for? Who is Odoo designed for? What professionals can use Odoo? Honestly, Odoo can serve small businesses, mid-sized enterprises, and even larger organizations. If you are just starting out, you can get going with a few free modules, right? And if you are a professional looking to manage operations, marketing, or even manufacturing, Odoo scales beautifully. So, what are the use cases for Odoo? The use cases for Odoo include one, managing leads and customer with its CRM. Two, handling invoices, expenses, and accounting. Three, running an online store and tracking inventory. Four, automating HR processes, time off, recruitment, you just name it. So if it touches business, Odoo likely has an app for it. Now let's talk about the user interface and the user experience before diving deep into the features of Odoo. Odoo's interfaces are surprisingly slick for such a robust platform. The dashboard is minimalist, icons are intuitive, and the layout feels very modular. You don't get that, clunky ERP vibe here. So the question is it easy to use? I would say yes, it is easy to use. The user interface is well thought out, especially for individual modules like CRM or sales. But here is the catch. Because Odoo can do so much, there is a learning curve, especially when you're trying to customize workflows or connect modules. So if you're a beginner, expect to spend some time exploring or watching tutorials. But if you're tech savvy or have an in-house team or have an in-house IT team, you will find it quite manageable. So right now, let's talk about the features and capabilities of Odoo. Now, when you click on the apps, menu, you get to see the features of Odoo. Now, under finance, you see Odoo takes care of accounting, invoicing, expenses, spreadsheet, documents. Under sales, takes care of CRM, sales, POS shop, POS restaurant, subscriptions, rental, website builder, e-commerce, blog, forum, live chat and learning, supply chain, inventory, it's a whole lot. Under marketing, you get social media marketing, email marketing, SMS marketing, and a whole lot of you know products. All right. Now, what are the standout tools? Number one is automation. You can trigger emails, tasks, or approvals based on activity. Another standout tool is custom workflows. Custom flows tailor processes to fit your business logic. Then we have another one which is a studio app. It lets you build and customize apps visually, which means no coding is needed. Now, compared to competitors like Zoho, NetSuite, or SAP, Odoo holds its ground well, open source, especially because of its open source nature and the level of control you get. Okay. Now let's touch on the performance and reliability of Odoo. Um, on a well-configured server or using odoo.sh, the official cloud, odoo.sh is the official cloud. Performance is fast and reliable. Pages load quickly, and the backend doesn't lag, even with heavy data. So the question is, are there any crashes or bugs? Occasionally, especially with third-party modules or customizations, right? But overall, I found it to be quite stable. Regular updates and a huge developer ecosystem help keep things patched. What of scalability? The scalability is excellent. Whether you have 2 employees or 200, all those scales with you. Just be mindful that self-hosting requires technical know-how for performance optimization. All right. So, as for the integration and compatibility, Odoo doesn't live in a bubble. Um, when it comes to the integrations, it connects with payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, shipping providers like DHL, UPS, FedEx. Then also it integrates with Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. It integrates with e-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay. So uh, those are some of the platforms that Odoo integrates with. Then when it comes to the platform where Odoo operates, the when it comes to the platform Odoo supports, um, it's supported on web, it's supported on Android and iOS apps, and also it has a desktop support via browser, Windows, macOS, Linux, right? Now, what about the API? It is API rich, and developers love it for custom integrations. If you are into deep integrations or building extensions, the API docs are pretty solid. Okay, so now let's talk money. Let's talk about the pricing for Odoo. This is where a lot of people, have interest in whether they should go for it or not, if it is cost effective or not. Now, uh, they have one app free, standard, custom. So what that means is that for the free version, it offers one app only, unlimited users, and Odoo online. All right. Then for the standard, it starts at $7.25 per user per month. It offers all apps, then Odoo online as well. Then now, if you look at the standard and the free, you see that for the free, it's only one app only, but for the standard all apps, then including Odoo online. And for the custom, it starts at $10.90. That's more like $11, right? Per user per month. So, and it offers all apps, Odoo online, Odoo SH, Odoo.sh, that is their cloud, website. The premise, then Odoo Studio, multi-company, external API, and all of that. And the beautiful thing is that they offer free trial for all the plans. They offer free trial for standard. They offer free trial for custom. So here it says the standard and custom plans include all apps for a single fee. Now, if you can see here, apps like sales, marketing, sign, website, account, CRM, inventory, HR, project, POS, and many more, are all in the standard, plan and even the custom plan. So the only difference between the standard and custom is the addition, of Odoo Studio, multi-copy, and external um, API. Okay, so Odoo offers a free version of the platform, which with one app only. That's great for micro businesses, right? That's great for micro businesses. Now, are there hidden fees? Not really, but costs can add up if you need many users or third-party models. If you're looking at custom development, that's a separate expense. So the question is it worth it? Yes, for growing businesses. It's a strong value compared to bigger ERPs that cost 10 times as much. Now let's talk about the community and the support and community. Now support is a mixed bag depending on your plan. Enterprise users get direct support from Odoo. Community users rely on forums and GitHub. There is extensive documentation, video tutorials, and an active Odoo community forum. There are also local Odoo partners who offer paid implementation and support um, services. When you click on community, you get to see tutorials, documentation, certification, training, podcast, and a lot of them. So you can always come here to learn about Odoo, how to make use of Odoo. Now, let's talk on the security. Uh, Data is encrypted in transit, HTTPS, okay, and access controls are robust. For the cloud version, Odoo Online, backups are automated and servers are secured in ISO certified environments. If you are self-hosting, security is on you. So get an expert to help configure and maintain it. That is it for security. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of Odoo? Now, number one advantage is that it is modular and highly customizable. It's an all-in-one platform. No more app juggling. Affordable pricing for what you get. Sleek user interface and strong mobile support. Massive app ecosystem and developer community. And those are the advantages. Then for the disadvantages, there's a learning curve, especially for non-techies. Performance depends on hosting setup. Some modules feel less polished than others. Advanced features often require technical help. So, on a final note, should you use Odoo? To answer that, if you're a startup looking to grow, a mid-sized company tired of juggling apps, or even an enterprise wanting full control, Odoo is 100% worth considering. It is one of the few platforms that lets you start small and scale big without being forced into bloated enterprise pricing. So my recommendation is that you should try it. Start with a couple of modules, test the waters. If it fits, build from there. But do expect to invest some time or hire a partner if you want to unlock its full potential. Alternatives to consider include Zoho One, easier to use but less flexible. Then you can also consider NetSuite, enterprise grade but way more expensive. Then you may want to consider QuickBooks plus other tools, good for simple needs but not integrated. So that's my deep dive into Odoo. If you've used it before or are considering it, drop a comment below. I would love to hear your experience. And if this review helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more software breakdowns, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. Thank you.